Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the CZRR X5 Pro 16mm pickleball paddle. As you can see, it's USA Pickleball approved. It's got a 3K raw carbon friction surface. As we open it up, it comes in this nice carry bag. It's got this nice little strap right there for holding. And then here is the paddle itself. As you can see, you got the CZRR and the X5 Pro branding at the bottom on both sides. Stamp of approval from USA Pickleball, and it's got no edge, which I really like. That allows for more surface area for hitting the ball and allows just for a more premium experience. It's got a nice long handle here. As you can see, my hand wraps around it with room for more, so that'll allow for great and easy backhands with two hands. And then you've got the CZRR logo on the bottom right there. I really like the name of this thing, super nice. I actually got their previous paddle, which did have edges, and I still use it today. Super nice paddle, but this one's just a step up with no edge. Overall, highly recommend this if you're serious about pickleball. Thanks for watching.